Hello everyone. I have come on today to do the flip of my 100 Days project book. I just finished up the binding and this is a nice big chunky book. It was all done on watercolor paper, so it's got some real heft to it. The 100 Days project, there will be a link down below in the description box so that you can maybe think about doing it next year. I don't think I will do it next year. This project involved a lot of work. If I do it next year, it will be something different. It took up a lot of my video time, and with everything else going on, I sort of think that I want to stick to shorter projects. Anyways, let me be quiet and take you through the journey. I will tell you, as I went to bind it, I had so much fun looking at all my collages. The pages just make me happy. I'm really pleased with how it all came out, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do enjoy videos like this, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell notification so that you can get word when I upload a new video. So without further ado, concludes the flip of the 100-day project. I did make a video for every one of these pages, and there's a playlist. I will link that down below. I also did an Instagram photo of these every single day, so I will link my Instagram account down below just in case you'd like to just take a look at the images more slowly than in the flip. I finished up the binding, and there's a video on the binding. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I am going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book and go on and find the next project. Every creative act is an attempt to put another piece of the jigsaw of life in place. Oh, I like that one. Very interesting. Okay, guys, go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.